about how I played golf on Sunday. It was awful. Like, literally the worst I've ever played.
Stop off at one place and have a beer with them, you walk across somewhere else, go have a beer, now that's fun. Yeah. Hi. Oh, all right. Yep, thank you.
Oh no, this one. Yeah. This is the one that you
My parents are from Minnesota. Yeah. Oh yeah, I go out there. Take that, Flo. Right there, you're right now. Yeah, right now, 51. Yep.
Small world.
Yeah, I know. It's great.
Whoa, I didn't think that was wrong. I said, you ain't got the aim. What's up? Oh, the tall guy? Yeah. One time, Gentlemen, he's got a knuckle.
What the hell is that? We tried trip.
You left me?
You want to know how we did? Oh my God. I think most of the game we were down 20
Last night?
We didn't realize they're sponsors. Like, people wearing freaking patches and where'd you go? That nice freaking Arizona or whatever off of the 202. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh hell yeah. We're like, let's go back where we can at least have some competition. Good to see you, man. Yeah.
Yeah. First night, 300. Second night, 60,000. Saturday, I don't know, back Saturday, before round 2 and 3, never been to one. That's the first time I've ever been. And so, you can have the theater wherever you know show the theater, but in the stadium, like you watch the rest in the stadium. No ticket fuels in the stadium and other activities to do. It was nice. It was great. And I'm like, Wiz Khalifa and Brett Michaels, what was it?
Your son and I first came.
All free.
Yeah, we've been alternating on that. We have 4 people.
The weather was like 80 on Thursday, 82 on Friday, drizzling on Saturday, but it was nice. Sounds fun. What are you doing? I'm here.
Oh, never mind. They must have just changed it as I went to go fish. Yeah. Well, I also think they would have I don't even know what everything's going down.
Good. They traded out the big.
You got it, Ruben. You got it. That was a freebie to try for it.
That's why Kyle had us pitching the way we did. The question, I guess there's some
You're at the bottom.
Yeah.
3-1.
Come on, baby.
Thanks a lot, Wheeler.
That's like 2 weeks in a row, asshole.
That works. That works.
I'll catch first. Is he retiring? So if we make it. Just barely. Yeah, he had a lot of top spin. I thought it was probably just get a chance to get down, but no. They're not out here now? No. At the bottom?
Oh, we haven't put them on yet.
You want to do this and it's okay or not?
If they want me to keep that, if they want me to keep it, I will. I just want it done, right?
Man, that one almost caught you.
Cardinals your team, right?
Yeah. So we stuck around and waited draft on those 3 days. And then Monday, I stuck around and watched at PNC Park, watched the Cardinals. So the Pirates, it was so funny. So they were doing a Pirates did a bullpen game.
Yeah.
So going into the bottom of the top of the 8th inning, Cardinals roll out. The Cardinals had no hits and no base runs. They were throwing a perfect. Bullpen was throwing a
Wow. And you know what inning?
and going into the 8th inning.
Wow.
So the Cardinals end up getting like a little strip hit to break it up. Going into the 9th, it was 2-0 Pirates. First 2 batters, home run, 2-2, just like that.
Huh.
The Cardinals ended up scoring 4 runs in the 9th and winning. All 9,000 Pirates.
I've heard of that before. You know, you throw a perfect game into the 8th and end up losing the game.
The closer came in and just like imploded. He like was just awesome.
My Twins gave up 4 in the 9th to lose to my Twins.
Good for you. They're not that bad. How are you?
Every one of you guys.
Hey, he's consistent. Fair. He hates everything. Hey, turn around. He's about to pitch the ball. You know how funny like hugging fucking each other over there. 2-1. Denny's ready to throw a ball.
Lynn, jealousy doesn't look good on you, bud.
Oh, that's not gonna get there. Yeah. The vertical's not what it used to be. Oh wait a minute, that never was. Sorry. Oh shit. Yeah. He wasn't gonna swing it. He lost.
Take it off!
windy enough.
Look good out there, Brad.
Oh, Danny. Hey, you can set your feet once in a while, man. Oh, I got time? Sorry, Danny. I just catching it. I just all of a sudden saw somebody running on the field. I didn't know who the fuck it was. Streaker! Look at us, Steve-O. Double. Nice. There you go. Double. Kick. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah.
So stupid. $600,000.
What are you doing now? Yeah, no, I saw that. I didn't know. Something they should race it like Let's keep that. Line to one. I love how they don't even touch it. It's like literally about 3/4 of the way down this. I mean, like when you're just like a couple feet. Fully. Stupid. I didn't talk about it.
Let's go, Daddy!
You gotta call Sweet Chicks, and Sweet Chicks is out there. Oh, sorry, they said even.
Yeah, even.
Apologize. Apologize. But birthday back.
I know, right? It's
I
just on the
missed that
fringe,
Friday. I
man.
missed that
It's
Friday.
kind of tired.
Sorry.
Dog barking.
Scored.
Not bad, how are you?
Chasing 2. You up.
He doesn't chase any.
Of course, I'm a Cardinal fan.
Yeah.
Say when.
I was complaining about it.
Let her up. Two one.
Got the bad turn.
Oh, that's gonna get down. Come on, Logan, you better score, Logan. All right, you can stay right there. Come on, Morgan. I'm Morgan. Wait.
I had confidence here.
I know, right? I want to talk that.
A lot better than the first week.
3-1. Still gotta wait.
Oh, that's gonna be trouble. Maybe. That boy. You want one, Riddle? What? You want a runner? Why do I gotta do that? That's a lot of running. Too much running. Well, that thing was out, though. I'm so worried.
Got all that one. In front of your lucky charm, though.
Want to run it now? Huh?
It's only up here.
2-1. Cut. 2 dead.